again. All right. Alrighty. Let's see. Okay. Okay, I'm back again live. I'm so sorry, my friends. It's something was there. Hello, everybody. Once again, everybody, welcome. This is crazy, it does happen at times, but it's all right. It's the internet Maharaj where we all are dependent upon. Hello, everyone. Hello again. Hello, Hina Khan 786 says hello, Daddy Das. Okay, like some of you already saw that we were connected to this beautiful holistic healer, Dr. Gitanjali Saxena, and I'm going to. Hi, Rose Daly. I'm very good. How are you doing? Okay, so let's see. Okay, waiting for Dr. Gitanjali to join.
Hi,
And there you are. Welcome again.
Welcome.
Okay.
I sent a little bit of Reiki, let it all get cleared.
Thank you. That is so nice. I think that's the best thing you did to clear this internet Maharaj ka major problems which you face.
But I think there is
Okay.
some issue. Yeah.
Yes, so this is, like I said, I'm just going to repeat again for some of them who've probably joined again. So I am here, my friends and fans and followers, speaking with Dr. Gitanjali Saxena, who's this beautiful, absolutely wonderful person, a holistic healer, and she's done magic in so many people's lives and my life as well, and she's guided me and advised me to take the right steps forward, and I would just wanted to kind of share this space which I share with her along with you all. So ye hamara ekdam, it's amazing because it's nice that you said yes to this live chat, and now I'm here. There'll be, of course, fans and friends who would probably want to ask you questions as well, which
I'm
we'll do
ready.
in the. Okay, bring it on.
Bring it on.
Okay, yes. So you've guided me so much since November we've met, and you've guided me, and things have started going. I mean, pandemic was such a time, even now a little bit, where people have had so many difficulties, itni sari obstacles sabke, रास्तों में आई हैं. But thankfully, you were there to guide me and help me that whatever hindrance was wanting to come my way, they cleared out. So you helped me to do that, so thank you so
Thank you
much
so
for
much.
that. सबसे पहले तो मैं ये बोलना चाहती हूँ. And दूसरी चीज, I want you to tell our friends over here that what is the holistic healing you do, because I know there's tarot card and there's this family thing which you do, but more we would love to know.
Okay. Thank you so much, Shruti, for inviting me, first of all. And I'm very thankful to all the viewers who are there and who are interested. And I'm asking them to ask any kind of questions they would like to know about their futures or any kind of difficulties they are facing in their lives right now. And we are sure
Yeah.
to give them guidance. Now, apart from tarot card reading and astrology, as well as numerology, I do a lot of healing services. I do a lot of holistic healing. So that, as you mentioned, the blocks all
Yes.
of us experience blocks sometime or the other in our lives. And those blocks we don't know how to clear. Is there a way to clear? And so when I was facing those blocks in my life, I started learning all these, and I started seeing that a lot of holistic healing, really helps you to clear the core blocks which are there in a person's life, be it success, be it relationship, be
Hmm.
it diseases, fears, phobias. Children have a problem; they are not studying. So many people come to us with lots and lots of issues, and they're
Hmm.
looking for answers. They're looking for resolving those issues. So in this holistic field that we are doing now, we work on the mind. So what we do is
Okay.
that mind is very important, because we have something known
Hmm.
as a conscious mind, and we have something known as a subconscious mind. Man or antar
Yes.
man जिसको हम कहते हैं, right?
जी
Now
जी
what happens is your
जी.
conscious mind is a 10% of your capacity, and your subconscious is 90%. But the problem is you
Okay.
do not know where the 90% is. But whatever
Ah.
happens in your life happens only when the subconscious or the 90% wants it. And
Yeah,
mind does
and we are
not
not
work
aware of it. We are
around
not
it.
aware of this at all. Yes, I think there will be so many of them who will be knowing this for the first time, you know. Of course, we know there's the conscious mind, there is the subconscious mind, but the ratio जो है उसका हमें पता ही नहीं है कितने लोगों को.
हाँ,
Yeah.
तो उसकी वजह से जो आपके लाइफ में होगा, जो कॉन्शियसली आई मे रिक्वायर कि आई वांट अ रिलेशनशिप, आई वांट टू गेट मैरिड एंड आई वांट अ नाइस पर्सन इन माय लाइफ, but my subconscious has certain blocks based on my past life karma, based on my
Hmm.
current life experiences, based on some of my ancestral blockages, astrological
Hmm.
blockages, so it will not create that reality.
Okay.
It will
Okay.
block it. So my 10% of my conscious mind says I want to get married, 90% says it's not for you. So in your
Oh.
life, always the subconscious mind is always going to win hands down. And
Ah.
so if you see, whatever happens because of your subconscious. So we, holistic healing today is such that we are make changes in the subconscious mind. We build a new file.
Yeah.
We build up a new
Yeah.
file over your old file that this can happen. Miracles can happen. We can
Yes,
change
of
your
course.
reality. And the funny part is the mind only reads the topmost file. So the moment
Okay.
I build about one file with 4, 5 different good experiences, the
Hmm.
conscious mind says yes, the subconscious mind says, okay, I'm also ready. And your manifestation or what you desire in your life happens.
Yes, they say, you know, you manifest your own realities.
Yes.
You know, they say
So
that. Yeah, so exactly. So this is so interesting. And with tarot, how do you go about with tarot? Because that is something very interesting also. I've done it with you, and I am looking forward for yet another session with you because I want to know more. And it is always very exciting to know. It is always a kind of a path, you know, which I was always fascinated about. And then I met you, of course, and then you guided me with it. And we had a beautiful session about tarot card. And let me tell my viewers that of course, during the pandemic, a lot of obstacles which were supposed to probably come my way, they did not because of the kind of guidance you gave me, the kind of energies you circulated around my aura, you know, my energy. So that was beautiful. But yes, what something magical what has happened, friends, is that after after the pandemic got over, we actors have a life where we are really, you know, sometimes we are working for three years at a stretch, and there are times when you're not working at all for even a year, probably, or maybe probably 3 years you're not working because you never know when work will come. And though it wasn't 3 years for me, it was quite a kind of 8, 9 months for me where I was like, okay, work's gonna come. How is it gonna come? What am I gonna do? And then you were there, Dr. Gitanjali, to guide me. And then luckily I got this show called Pinjara Khubsurti Ka, which was a cameo, which just ran for, which was supposed to, my character was supposed to be there only for a month, but it just stretched on to 3, 4 months, and that was beautiful. And when that phase went away, automatically I come to know that my old show, which was Sasural Genda Pool, is beginning again. You know, and I'm about to start shooting for it very soon. So this is something really nice that you cleared this path for me, and you advised me to take steps which can, you know, guide me into my future and for my betterment. So
right. So
yeah.
when we checked your cards, it was indicating work was being indicated. So now what
Yes.
we actually do is when we see work being indicated, we definitely help with those positive healing energies which I was talking to you about. That we can
Hanji.
definitely change and we can create a better reality. So instead of one show, 2 shows can come in.
Ah,
Instead of two
okay.
shows, 4 shows can come in. I always tell
Okay.
people that you can create your reality. I always tell people that you can change your income, you can double your income in a year's time if you follow the rules. And it's easy, it's not difficult at all. You just need to follow a certain amount of rules, and of course the manifestation principles and those small tools, small exercises which we can help you with, and you did it. The main thing is you should do it diligently. We can definitely
Yes.
heal, but there are some exercises to be done at home, and when you do
Ah,
that
true.
diligently, of course, you definitely see your results.
I know, because there will be people who might say, because, you know, I don't know about it, I don't know how to go about it, and maybe they're dilly-dally with their thoughts of, you know, going with that process. and hence the results are not there. Like you said, diligently, I've got to work towards it as well. You are there to
Correct.
guide me, but it is my duty or my responsibility to take that step. If I do not
Absolutely.
take that step, then it's not going to happen. मतलब आप मुझे डंडी लेके मारने तो नहीं आओगे, श्रुति करो ये करो. करना तो मुझे अपने आप ही पड़ेगा. Yes, so this is amazing. And do you want to just share something about tarot card reading, because I'm going to come and do it very soon with you again.
Yeah. So tarot card reading is a set of 78 cards, and they
Okay.
really help us, guide us. They tell us what we really want to do in our lives, or how should things pan out. So I always tell, when people come to me and they are in a fix, I always tell them, why didn't you go to a tarot reader earlier? It kind of so easily helps you, guides you, and it's not some science based on religion. It's based on cards. It's based
Yeah.
on a set of 78 cards, which are like archetypes, and which have depict different issues in your life, which depict your marriage, your education, which depict your sickness, your ill health. And many people, the people who come to me, I normally do my best to help them, whether this will happen, this will not happen. And people come to me with all kinds of questions. Like yesterday only, I had somebody from Canada. She asked me, like, should I go in for a surrogate pregnancy, or should I go in for adoption? And
Oh,
I
okay.
guided her. Yeah, the people ask me different kind of questions. So I said, yeah, you can go in for surrogate pregnancy, and it is definitely going to help you. She herself was a cancer survivor. So she had connected to
Oh,
me earlier. Yeah, she connected to me earlier also, and I said, "Don't worry, this time will pass, and you need to do this things."
mm,
So we guide a lot of people in their illnesses, whether they will recover, not recover, and things like that. So
okay.
that is what,
So,
yeah,
okay, so you're doing online as well, because
yeah,
nowadays, of
yeah,
course,
yeah.
it's difficult for people to come and reach you and so on. So
Yeah.
this is good. Of course, I mean, I'm saying this out loud. I've done one online session with you, but I'm saying it because so that everybody comes to know that that's also possible now, absolutely. So this is good. I mean, as people come to you for their well-being, for work, for marriage, of course, and now this amazing incident which you told about a mother who wants to be a mother, and she's contemplating, how surrogacy or adoption because she's been a cancer patient. So
Right.
this is amazing. But what about when people come and ask you about health issues and stuff like that? Then how do you guide them? You know.
So the basic thing is, for health issues, I see whether they can be saved. I mean, with cancer also, of course, like I got a lot of COVID patients in the
Oh,
recent 1 year. Yeah, we got a lot of COVID
okay.
patients for even tarot as well as for healing. We have done a lot of
Okay.
healing for people who have been in hospitals, so that the
Hmm.
people, so it's like a positive energy reaches. So of course, I'm not saying we are replacing what the doctors are doing, no, but
Hmm.
your own inherent blocks, which could be the negative energies around you, your own fear, which can stop you
Hmm.
from receiving something, we are just releasing them. Your negative past life karmas, we are releasing them. And when you release
Okay.
those negative past life karmas, what actually happens is, because of the positive flow, you can
Hmm.
you your intake for the treatment becomes better. You get the right
Ah,
doctor.
okay.
You
Okay.
like the path becomes smoother.
Smoother
Things
for you,
happen
yes.
because your subconscious mind is constantly saying, yes, I need to get better.
Yes, the
That is life.
90%, the 90%,
90%. Yeah. So we
which we
work on the
forget.
90%. Like just now, somebody
Okay.
asked me from Pune in a tarot card reading, and then I suggested a healing session for him. His
Hmm.
date of birth was 2011, and I immediately said, you're a very sensitive soul. And he said yes. And I said, you feel bad so fast. तुम इतना जल्दी बुरा लगता है. He said yes. And he gave me an option. I want to go to the US, and I want to, should I do something in biophysics, or should I do something in, no, which physics was not biophysics. Some physics was there, and
Okay.
biomedical, something like that. So I
Okay.
said, I see the physical physics of it, but here I'm not seeing you that you in biomedical field anything. And he said, I've not even applied for it. I said, and if you've not even applied, the cards are not going to, they're going to show, confusion.
Correct.
So,
Correct.
so I said, he asked whether I'll be able to settle down in the US. I said, of course, you'll be able to settle down. It will take time, but definitely you'll settle down. And fortunately, unfortunately, he said that the mother, she doesn't want me to go. And so I was guiding him, and then I said, let's do one thing. Let's start your healing session so that you get into a good university there and you continue your career. And then he asked me a very funny question. His actually sister joined in, and she said, will his education be fine? And I opened the cards and I said, let me tell you something, ma'am. Your brother's education has not been okay all the time. There have been obstacles. And she said, yes. Yes, you are right. There have been obstacles. And I said, yes. So it will be the same thing, but I can definitely help you and tell you that you will complete it. So I gave him a remedy also, and I said, let's start your healing.
That's wonderful. This is so nice.
So
There's something there's something which you also do about the family and so on.
yeah.
So
I
do you want to
suggested
just
family
talk
counseling.
about, yes, so do you want to kind of talk about it also and share? Because that's something which is very, very interesting, because it kind of opens so many doors for you,
So
about
I
your
have a
past
very
life.
interesting, yeah, I have a very interesting case study in which this lady, she called up from the US and she said, I want to get married. I'm a divorcee and I'm not getting someone to get married to. Every time I find somebody, the person meets me, goes away in a short period of time. And I said, okay.
Okay.
And she said, I'm not finding the right person. I said, let's try. And she said, astrologers have told me you will not get married. I said, I
Oh,
don't mind whatever the astrologers have told you. I will see that if it's possible, we'll definitely do some healing sessions. And if it's possible, we can change it. And she had come to me in April, May, COVID time, and she
uh-huh.
got married this June.
Whoa,
And she
that's
said,
so
Gitanjali,
lovely.
if it is not for you. So what I did was, so since she was married, I did a constellation. I created one person to take in her energies here,
Mm.
because it's a matrix which is created. Then I took her energy for a second marriage. So there were a
Okay.
lot of blocks coming in from the marriage, from the first husband. So the first husband, it was in a mind. It was in a mind. And
Okay.
then those kind of traditions which are there, the father is saying, you should. So
Okay.
we worked over there. And within 5 to 7 sessions, she found this guy. And
Oh,
she,
that's so lovely.
yeah. Yeah, he was also a divorcee. He is also a divorcee in America only. But
Okay.
she finally found somebody that she liked and who liked her back.
Okay. So this is something which is very, very interesting, because I've experienced that as well. And it honestly, I mean, there's so many things in your life and about your relatives and your lineage which you do not know, and then you suddenly come to know, oh, this has happened, and this is why probably this is happening with you, which is so interesting. So okay. Is there some, all right, you're back. So this is
Yeah, there is something
interesting.
in the
And
light.
okay, we can even, I don't know if there are people who would want to ask, because there are some who want to join in as well, because maybe we can do that. Do you think that's possible? I don't know if in Instagram 3 people can join. Let me check who all are there who are wanting to join. Lots of love from Delhi. Dr. Gitanjali is awesome healer. Me_mean10 is saying. Then Indian foodies join in. Spriti, Abhay, hello everybody. Thank you everyone for joining in. I know
This now somebody has
people are
asked, when am
busy.
I going to
Am
get
I going to
married?
get married? When am I going to get married? Kanika
Question is,
Gupta. Is it
yeah, let me just check that. Kanika Gupta,
Yeah, it's 04/10/1998.
right.
Is it love marriage or arrange? She's saying.
Well, Kanika, there's a possibility of herself already being in a relationship, which is what I'm seeing
Okay.
in the cards. Okay, if she wants to get married, I see marriage after 2 years. Then I'm
Okay.
also seeing marriage yoga for her after 4 years also. So if she really wants to get married, I'm seeing around 2025 as the time for her to get married. And I'm seeing love marriage. As I told you already,
Okay.
she could be in a relationship with somebody. If yes, then fine. But there could be issues also at this point of time in her life. But otherwise, possibility of 100% possibility of a love marriage. This lady, she wants love in her life, not arranged. She would like
Yes.
to know her person before she gets married.
Oh, that's nice. That's lovely. Okay, the Ashima Jen 9711, she's saying, please come to Delhi. Okay, then let me see who all are saying what. Okay, yeah, guys, you can ask in case you want to ask something. Okay, there's another person called Vesture by Vihana. Ma'am, date of birth is 1904-91. Will I get growth and success in the job that I recently joined?
Okay,
Okay,
done.
this,
Let me just check this.
yeah,
Uh,
1904-91.
See, the problem is this person, whoever it is, there is a person around you in your new job which would create problems for you. And you need to be careful. I think you may shift your job by around May, June next year because you may not be satisfied with whatever this new company is offering you. So you would look out for
Okay.
new things in your life. And my advice for you would be that there is somebody around October, November coming in who may create disturbances for you in your job. And you may be required to change your job or something. I see it changing around August and June next year. The second thing I
Next
would
year.
advise you is to keep your mouth as zipped as possible because I'm seeing that there may be instances where you are speaking out and it would be taken in a wrong way. And
Ah,
diplomacy, tact and diplomacy is very, very important. If somebody is saying that you have not done this properly, just listen to it before coming up with your side of the story because that would not be appreciated by this new person around you.
okay, okay. Okay, there's some Nokwe saying, yeah, I love you from South Africa. I love you too. Okay, let's see what else is there. Who else is asking what? Well, guys, if not in this session, you can always connect with Dr. Gitanjali through
Yeah, because
Insta and
yeah, sometimes people find it difficult to
to ask here.
ask
Yes,
because it's a lot of privacy and they want to ask a lot of questions, but people find it difficult to open up in front of strangers.
yes, yes. This Dora Bravit. Thank you so much, Dora. Big kiss to you as well from Berlin, Germany. Okay, on a phone, it is a bit difficult to see sometimes. Dear madam, when will I get the news that I will be dad? This is Aditya.8074. When
Okay.
will I get the news that I will be dad?
Any date of birth this guy has?
Any date of birth you want to share with us, Aditya? Dot 8074. Let me see. Yes,
Uh,
Twinkle, I will do that.
See, the chances of him to become a dad is this year. So from this year to about the next year, and he should
Okay,
take all measures to basically become a father. That means maybe
okay,
do the checkup of his wife and all that because I'm seeing
mm,
issues in becoming the
okay,
wife becoming pregnant. Okay, so it's not
okay.
an easy thing. Yeah, and if this yoke goes away for a year, then I don't see anything for a long time. So
Ah.
this year is there from this September to next September. I'm seeing the yoke, and he should take the advantage of this.
Okay, no wonder he's asking about it because he really
Yeah.
wants to be a father. This is so lovely. Okay, now there is Ashima Jain 9711. She's asking, when will I get married? 250893. How
Okay.
will be my life partner? How sweet.
Ashima, I'm seeing marriage for you after 2 years, not before that. Before that, if you do get married by any kind of compromise or any kind of changes, what I'm seeing is you may not find the kind of person you are looking for. So my advice for you to get married to a really nice person would be to wait till about 2024, in which I'm seeing that only in the starting, like around Jan, Feb, March, you will be able to find the person. By October, November, I'm seeing you getting married. It could be a court marriage, means not you'll not call a lot of people. It could be a court marriage, but it's going to be a good one. So you can wait till that time, and the marriage is going to be good. The person can be from the finance team part, MBA, administrative work. He can also be from the from the law field, legal field. Those kind of fields also is good. Ashima, the person that you will be meeting.
Okay. All right. So this is wonderful. Then Kaushik Shaha, date of birth is 14/9/1960. How is financial future for him? He's asking.
19?
60.
Okay.
1960. Okay.
So he's around what? 51?
Mm.
51? No,
Oh,
61.
71.
61,
61.
61.
61. 61.
So financial future for him, you see, I don't tell him I don't see a problem for him. Cards are excellent, even though he may feel, and this person feels very, very insecure at times. He thinks twice before spending. But the cards are excellent. The cards are beautiful cards. When this cards comes, I say, ki,
Oh,
whatever the circumstances, you will be taken care of by the universe. The universe is blessing you. There's a lot of positive karma, and it's a judgment card and this thing, wheel of fortune card. You will not be into a problem. Also, I'm seeing you traveling or going to a different place. Maybe your children are already out of India, and you could be traveling to them, and it's going to be good for you. I don't see any kind of a problem. But
okay.
yeah, a little. If you need to invest somewhere, I'm seeing maybe you've lost money in an investment, or you're thinking of investing something. If you are thinking of investing something, then do not invest anything for the next 10 months.
Okay. So thank you. Ashima is saying thank you very much. She had asked
Thank you,
about her
Ashima.
marriage. And yeah, this is good. Okay, Moksha Seni. Okay, this little Moksha Seni is from Mind Warriors. He's my mind warrior. This quiz which I do. मुझे follow करो, follow back मिलेगा. He's saying these little children, they're naughty. Okay, now there is this lady called Sonali Walia, 18th August 1992. When will her pregnancy happen? She wants to be a
18th of
mother.
August 1992.
92, Hanji.
See, your pregnancy is there. It is there in the coming 3 to 4 months. Okay. There are issues in the pregnancies. She needs to go in for some kind of a treatment and some kind of a help from the doctor. But I'm seeing
Okay.
her becoming pregnant. Not a big deal at all. I remember today one of my very good client has delivered a child, and for me that is very, very important, because as
Oh,
I said, we had asked she had asked, she was not getting pregnant from 3 years. We had given her the time, and we had also asked healing. So whenever I see a problem, so I see the answer is 50-70%, but entire 30%, 100% is not there. That is the time I suggest healing, which is what I'm suggesting in her case also. I'm not seeing 100% here. I had asked her
okay.
for some healing sessions. She did those sessions last December and January, and then by January she became pregnant. And this is I think
Oh,
so. Three,
lovely.
four cases have happened in the last 1 year. One person is in the US, and
Wonderful.
she's, yeah, 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 and one person
Oh,
was
this
here
is
in Shimla.
lovely. I know, I know. I can imagine how they must be feeling, to be parents, and especially if they're going through difficulties and not, having. But yes, yes, that's what it is, with you, Dr. Ketanjali, uh, uh, you know, I think because of your aura and because of your energy, it is, you just make us feel so happy. That's what it is. It's so simple. Yes, it matters. See, like you only just say that energies matter. And I truly
Yeah,
believe in it, and all of us believe in it. But it is
yeah,
your energy also which kind of, helps us and guides us and makes us go forward
yeah.
and
But you are
believe,
making me sound, as if I always say the right things. No, I don't. If I wouldn't have seen work coming for you, I would have said no. If I
Yes.
see even a
No, but
30%
yes.
chance, I
Hmm.
try my best to help the person. But if I sometimes there is no chance at all, but at that point of
Yes.
time, I also put my hands up, because sometimes it's not
Yes.
there in your destiny, even after making a lot of effort. So
Okay,
that's
okay.
a
So
it's a
that is
karmic
also
chart.
another case. Yeah, that's okay. That's your
Yes,
karmic thing. Okay. So this is the,
that's a
so
karmic thing that
Kwinder.
cannot be changed.
Okay. So Kwinder has given his date of birth, but I don't know what he's trying to ask. Its date of birth is May 19th, 1991, but he's not said what he wants to ask. Oh, this is okay. Then there are some people who
What is his date of birth?
I'll just tell you once again. I've lost it. The other who are coming in. Okay, there's one Amit Kumar, 12/6/2000. When will I get job? When will I get my job?
He's 21 years old.
Little.
Little. I would advise you, Mr. Amit Kumar, that right now, more than the job, you need to get some training. I don't see you trained in anything. Okay, that
Ah,
means you need to create that niche, or you need to create some place where you are going to be the best, or you should have some kind of a talent. I'm not seeing that. I would advise you to intern somewhere before thinking of a job. Maybe you may not get paid for it, but you please do that. Secondly, I'm seeing a little bit of aggressiveness in your behavior. Many times you get impatient and angry, so you need to work there also. Okay,
okay.
so I would ask you to intern before thinking of a job. I don't see a job so soon. So if you can intern somewhere, it will really, really help you to build the required skill sets to get the job.
Wonderful. Okay, this last one we'll take, because then I will uh you guys can connect with Dr. Gitanjali, and in DM her, and she will get back to you with whatever queries, whatever questions you want to resolve, which are there in your mind, your heart, and she's always there, like she's been there for me. Okay, this one last, Kyra is asking, life कब से अच्छी होगी, ट्रैक पे कब तक आएगी, and her date of birth is 14th January 1992.
14 January 1992. What's her name?
Kyra.
Kyra.
Kyra, yes.
Okay, Kyra. यस कायरा, आपकी लाइफ वाकई में प्रॉब्लमेटिक है, दिख रहा है, और मैं उसको ये नहीं बोल सकती हूँ. दैट्स आई टोल्ड बिफोर आल्सो, आई कैन नॉट लाई बिकॉज माई कार्ड्स डोंट अलाउ मी टू लाई. सो लाइफ डेफिनेटली अच्छी होगी, लेकिन एक 10 महीने का टाइम है. एक 10 महीने का टाइम है आपके लिए, और उसमें आपको क्या करना है, आपका सूर्य खराब है. आर यू एबल टू गेट मी? आपका सूर्य खराब है, और सूर्य खराब होने की वजह से आपके लाइफ में कुछ भी सही नहीं हो रहा है. तो मैं आपको एक ये दूंगी, उपाय दूंगी. आप एक 12 मुखी रुद्राक्ष पहन लीजिए, 12 मुखी रुद्राक्ष पहनिए. उसके बाद आपकी लाइफ में फर्क आएगा, क्योंकि आपका सूर्य जो है, फिलहाल मुझे कुंभ का सूर्य दिख रहा है, जो थोड़ा सा अच्छा नहीं है. हमें सूर्य को ऊपर करने की, यानी कि हमें एनर्जी सूर्य को देनी है, यानी कि फादर को. हमारे फादर से हमें एनर्जीज जो मिलते हैं. सो आइदर हीलिंग सेशंस विद योर फादर along with wear a 12 mukhi rudraksh, then there will be your problems will get solved, because I'm seeing a lot of people take advantage of you. They mistreat you, and you get you get into a lot of problems. So that's why.
Okay. Well, there's so many of them who are asking questions, but like, it's difficult. I thought you must be watching. Somebody's telling me I thought you must be watching IPL. I know, but this I really wanted to do this little live chat with Dr. Gitanjali, because this was really, really important, and so much has happened in my life which has changed for the betterment, the energies and everything. So I wanted to share this with all of you, and hence this live was very essential for me. And of course, I will go and see the IPL after this. Actually, it is, I'm a big cricket fan, like I told you, and my favorite team is Chennai Super Kings, and it's their match right now, which is going on. So that's why they're
Okay.
asking me. We thought you must be in IPL right now, watching IPL. Okay, so everybody, this is great, and ma'am, please, मेरा question भी तो देखो. देखा नहीं, Shilpi, I'm so sorry, darling, because there's so many comments coming, so it's difficult to read everybody's. But then it's a request that you can just follow Dr. Gitanjali. That is all in small, Dr. Gitanjali __ Saxena, and please follow her and ask her questions, DM her, and she is there like a guiding light to guide us all, like the way she's done to me. So I really, really suggest that you all do that. And yeah, that's about it. And I'm going to see you soon, because you have to do the tarot card for me again,
Well,
which will be
yes, we'll
nice.
do the tarot card.
Yes.
You can come in, you can do it online. Both are welcome. That's why it is very, very good. But I really like when you come to my office, and
Yes.
when you it's always a pleasure to meet you. That's not a problem at all. So more than
I
welcome.
know. And
Looking forward.
yeah, energies तो अब online से भी हम लोग एक दूसरे को दे सकते हैं, but it's lovely to see each other like that.
Yeah,
I
that
mean,
is more
touch is
important.
Yeah, touch is so sacred that
Yeah.
I want to be in front of you. And Abhi, of course, things have started opening. So I'm going to come and see you soon and do the tarot card and probably share it with our friends here, so they get a bit of a visual about how it's done and so on. I'm really,
Right.
yeah. So we would do that soon one day. And that's about it. Anything else you want to add, Doctor? So that anything.
I couldn't hear you. So let's meet as soon as possible, and so that they get an idea about the tarot card.
Yes, somebody's asking me, ma'am, will you be in the new show? Yes, I am there in Sasural Genda Phool. That's what I said, that, this show which I did 10 years back, and suddenly there was this lull in my life for a while, and now there's this beautiful storm which is coming, and this storm is really welcomed by me because this is Sasural Genda Phool, and it's coming again in action for all of you to see it. So thank you so much, Doctor, for this. And yeah, seriously, I mean, it's I feel it's a blessing to know you. It's amazing to know
Okay.
you.
Thank you so
Okay,
much.
I'll see you. Thank you very much.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
See ya.
Bye.
Thanks.
You have to just click to the cross.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Okay. All right, so this is amazing, guys. I just wanted to share this with all of you. Thank you so much for all the patience, and I'm going to see what all you've been asking. Oh my God, Avika is here in the house. Hello. We've got to meet soon. Hello, everybody. Hi, Varshaya. Hi, Taiba 5050. Hello, Samia Ahmad. Welcome. Okay, you're welcome, Dr. Kichali. Thank you so much for coming in. Yes, Jamai Raja, I know, Davja, you loved it. Thank you very much. Ma'am, will Sasural Genda Phool be coming on Star Plus? That I don't know, but it will be coming. That I know. And the whole team is a part of it. That also I know. Thank you so much, Mimi. It means a lot. All the best to you too. Hope everything happens well for you. Okay. Thank you so much, Dhanashri. Thank you so much. Hearts to you as well. Hi, Vani. Hi, Datta. Archeta. Pracheta, yes, that's how it is. Hi, Dhira Jadhav. Hello, Rani Matiri, Prem. Welcome. Hello, Mystic Makeovers. Hello, Kishan. Hi, Iron Woman. Yes, there it is. Okay, so wonderful. All of you have a lovely evening, and I'm going to say bye-bye now because that's about it. I wanted to share Dr. Gitanjali Saxena with you all. She's a beautiful holistic healer. Well, she's guided me, helped me, cleared my energies, and so on. And in case I'm sure you guys have a lot many questions you want to ask her, please follow her and DM her, message her, whatever questions you want to ask. Okay, great. Hello, Drupkar. MH Drupkar. Hello, everybody. Okay, that's about it. Hi. Okay, wonderful. Yes, everybody will be there. Don't worry about it. Okay, then take care of yourselves. I'm very good, Raman. Thank you very much. I'm very good. All right, everybody, take care of yourself, and I will come live again someday very soon. Hi, Himanshu. Hi, Vishnu. Hi, passionate girl. I'm Sharad. Love from South Africa. Thank you, Vanita. Thank you so much. Thank you, Mimi. Thank you very much. So all the very best to you all. Take care of yourself. Love from Nigeria. Thank you. Love to you, Adwa of Lagos. Are Tinde, kaise ho tum? Yes, yellow sock. I have to show you this yellow sock. There. I have to be yellow. Yes, Ashima, I will try my best. Okay, that's about it. Take care of yourself, everybody, and I will see you all once again very, very soon. Lots of love. God bless.